In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading your new defaults. In my case, browser. When all of your apps are ready, you can exit Play Store to go into Devices Settings. Then select Apps. Scroll down to access default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on your new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!